Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to keep your address private on an Amazon wishlist? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open Amazon and log into your account. Then go to Account and Lists from the home page. Now tap on your list to access your saved items. Now tap on the three dot icon in the upper right corner and select Manage List. Scroll down to the Shipping Address section and uncheck Share my shipping address with sellers. Finally, click Save Changes to update your privacy settings. And that's it. Your address is now hidden from third-party sellers. Happy shopping! If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.